We're trying to expand the log. So log multiplication, that is log of a times b to any base, simply becomes a log of a plus log of b to the same base. So here log of 7 times 3 to the base 5 becomes log of 7 to the base 5 plus log 3 to the base 5. Quotient, log of a over b to any base simply becomes log a minus log b to the same base n. So here log of 64 over y to the base 4 becomes log 64 to the base 4 minus log y to the base 4. Log 64 to the base 4 is 3 minus log y to the base 4. The power rule. Log of a power p to any base simply becomes p times log a to the base. So here log x cubed to the base b simply becomes 3 log x to the base b. Same thing here, the power simply comes right up in the front, so this becomes negative 6 log n. Expand the logs. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change square root of 5 to x to the power 1/5. And this is a power, so kicks right up in the front, so this becomes 1/5 ln x. Expand the logs. This is x squared times y. Remember, we have log a times b is equal to log a plus log b to the base n. So here I have log x squared times y to the base b is equal to log x squared to the base b plus log y to the base b. We are expanding the logs, so let's go ahead and work it out first. Log of division becomes log of subtraction. Single log becomes double log. So here log 36 over square root of x plus 1 now becomes log 36 minus log square root of x plus 1 to the base 6 to the base 6 to the base 6. And now log 36 to the base 6 minus log the square root now becomes x plus 1 to the power half base 6. Log 36 to the base 6 is simply 2 because 36 is 6 squared. Let me go ahead and work that out. Log, instead of 36, I'm going to write 6 squared base 6. 2 is the power, kicks right up in the front. Half is the power, kicks right up in the front. So half log x plus 1. This becomes 2 log 6 base 6 minus half log x plus 1. Log 6 base 6 is 1, and 2 times 1 is 2, minus half log x plus 1. I am condensing the logs, so you work backward. Log a plus log b to the same base becomes log a times b. Double log becomes single log. So in this case, log 5 plus log 2 becomes log 5 times 2. That is simply log 10. Log 10 is 1. Write a single log. So this one 4 ln x plus 6 minus 3 ln x. You always work with the powers first. You put them back in their place. So this now becomes ln x plus 6 to the power 4 ln cube. Remember, subtraction of logs. Log a minus log b now becomes log a over b, and the base stays the same. So this one now becomes ln. It becomes ln x plus 6 power 4 over x cube. Write a single log, and again you work with the powers first. 3 ln x plus 5 ln y minus 6 ln z. I'm gonna go back and put the powers in their places first. So this becomes ln x cube plus ln y power 5 minus ln z power 6. Addition of logs becomes multiplication. So this becomes ln x cube times y power 5 minus ln z6. Subtraction of logs becomes division of logs. So x cube y5 minus over, the minus becomes over z power 6. Use change of base to evaluate this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply have log of 17 over log of 0.1 to give me the value. So I'm going to plug it in the calculator, and that would give me negative 1.2304. Now instead of using logs, I would simply use ln 17 over ln 0.1. That would still give me negative 2.304.